Hello and welcome back. Today we'll be learning about the if and else if function. So last lesson we created a mood variable, but we have done nothing with that variable. So now we're going to create an if statement and we are going to use it to tell the computer to output different things depending on the user's mood. So we're going to start off by making our if statement. So just write if, and then we're going to use mood dot equals, and then type in bad. Actually, let's start with good instead. Good, and then or. So or in Java is either this, or you can write this, just a single one, and that character is just above your backslash key, so that's where to find it. Or mood dot equals good. Then so we put curly braces and press enter, and so if whatever is in these brackets, so if their mood is good, then the computer is going to run what's inside these pair of brackets. So we're going to write systemout.println or sout, which is the IntelliJ shortcut. That is good to hear. So now we go here and we're going to create our else if. So else if, and then mood dot equals bad, or mood dot equals bad, then curly braces, we're gonna write hope your day gets better. So once we've done that, we just go out of there, and this is our if and else if statement. That's literally as simple as that. That's how to write an if statement. So now that we have done that, we're gonna start off by making our second if statement. But first we're gonna ask the user if they can guess the computer's number. So we're gonna write systemout.println guess the number I am thinking of. And now we're going to create a scanner. Number inputs equals new scanner, and we're going to store this as an int. Number equals number inputs dot next int, which is what you use if you have an integer. And then now we're gonna write our if statement. So if number equals to 7, that will be the number, then system.out.println well done, you guessed correctly. Else, so this just means that whatever else the user writes, as long as it's not 7, then systemout.println bad luck, I was thinking of 7. So, sorry, I realized I forgot to put the system in. So when you're creating your number input, you need to put new scanner.system in. And let's just run that. We go up here, run. And as you can see, hello, what is your name? T minus tech. Good. And so it prints out that is good to hear. just like we told it to do here. Guess the number I'm thinking of. If we put 4, for example, we'll put bad luck. I was thinking of 7, so it does exactly what we wanted it to, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time.